Every successful business, from startups to global empires, has one thing in common: cooperation. Today, we'll uncover why cooperation is the secret ingredient to lasting success in business. Welcome to Spark Cooperation, the channel where we inspire leaders, entrepreneurs, and dreamers to achieve more together. Business is never a solo journey. Even visionaries like Steve Jobs needed Steve Wozniak. Cooperation creates synergy, where 1 + 1 is greater than 2. Think about Apple. Jobs had the vision. Wozniak had the technical brilliance. Alone, they were talented. Together, they built a revolution. Henry Ford said, "If everyone is moving forward together, then success takes care of itself." His assembly line changed industries, not because of one man, but because of coordinated cooperation. In today's fast-paced world, innovation happens when teams cooperate. One person can have ideas, but a team can turn ideas into reality. Cooperation is like gears in a machine. Each person may look small on their own, but when connected, they create unstoppable momentum. And in a global economy, cooperation doesn't stop at office walls. It stretches across countries, industries, and cultures. So, if you believe in the power of cooperation, don't keep this message to yourself. Like this video, share it with your team, and subscribe to Spark Cooperation for weekly insights on leadership, business, and teamwork.